Okay, on the fridge wall, fridge model number that fits in here just fine. The small microwave to sit on the shelf, a rollout above it, 3 rollouts below it, a rollout above the fridge here and here, 2 rollouts to open the doors, and these come out. This cabinet, these 2 large drawers, rollouts, 1, 2, 3. Oven cabinet, which will fit in this size cabinet, roll out above here and here. What's not shown on this wall, because the computer only looks at one wall at a time, is a 6-inch wide spice cabinet. That spice cabinet's 5 inches deep, so that'll add, as we can see right now, this cabinet is overhanging the wall by 1.75 inches. Current width of the wall, 6 inches for the cabinet, 3 inches for the crown. So this wall needs to come out about 11 inches. This oven is, let's see, from the floor, the bottom of the oven is here at 36. The manufacturer recommends max about 32, 33 inches off the floor. Not a deal breaker, but just flying it by you that it's mounted a little higher than it recommends. I still think it's usable at the height shown here. Tilt down, roll out in this cabinet, utensil insert, knife insert, light rail, puck light here and here. We would have a seam right here where this would hinge down for the knife tip down, but we're probably not going to be able to put a light underneath this section, just a puck light here. Trash rollout, blind corner unit, the cooktop, the blower pretty much is going to consume a lot of the space behind this door. After all this is in and the plumbing's in, we can see if it's possible to put a rollout here, but that ducting going through the floor is really going to chew that up. So I doubt that'll work, but we can try. This pot and pan hardware will fit just behind this door. And a 3D view of this. So we'll have the paneling on the back, crown molding, the cove crown molding that'll go to the ceiling. And you can see this added cabinet here. This is all in the same plane. This panel is only about 6 inches wide. If we made it the same style as all the other doors, that inset panel would be almost nothing. So just a slab panel here, and then this spice rack to go on the back side of this door. All right, let me know what you think. Thanks.